At OffGrid Pro, we specialize in solutions for properties that are very power hungry, from 35 kilowatt hours a day right the way up to 200 or 300 kilowatts a day. We have a blueprint solution that would work for them. So the difference in the system that we put in here and is the blueprint for the solution we put in for other customers is we first of all design the system around all of your household energy needs. So instead of there being a small proportion of what you need, it covers all of what you need. The system is quite unique in that it can take all of the power from the grid when you turn on all of your very power hungry devices, but equally is sized and scaled to be big enough to run most of your loads all day, every day. So the first thing that happens in the installation process is we come and meet you. We come and look at your property, we come and do a survey and understand any of the complexities that might exist in your world. We then take care of all the paperwork that's needed for the regulatory bodies in order that we can install the system. We then do the build of the system off-site so that it minimizes the disruption on the days where we come to actually physically install in your property. So the best next steps to take forward a conversation is if you think our energy storage solution is something that could work for you, is please get in touch with us. We can have a consultation over the telephone, can demonstrate the system live to you over the telephone, and following that, one of my team can come and visit you. We can look at your specific needs and then tailor a solution that would work for you.